Who gets a Maybach for just singing a birthday song? Oprah Winfrey went to Jimmy Kimmel's show, and Jimmy Kimmel said, okay, there are all these rumors that has not been verified by you, so I'm gonna be saying them and tell me which one is true and which one is not. So he asked a lot of questions, and Oprah confirms, whether it's true or it's not. And listen to this one that caught my attention. To get a Maybach by just singing a birthday song? Aish! Kashe, laza. Let's watch.
Is it true that you thanked Stevie Wonder for performing Happy Birthday at your 50th by giving him a Rolls Royce?
I thought it was a Maybach or something. Is that the same thing?
No, that's a different thing, but it's another thing, yeah.
I think it's a Maybach.
You gave him that car?
He said he wanted it. And he said he wanted it.
He was probably kidding, right?
He said he wanted it.
He wanted the car?
And I was like, you're gonna drive it? And he sent me a video of him driving it. Yes, he did.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
He did. That is.
Did you hear that? A birthday song sung by Stevie Wonder. And she asked Stevie Wonder, what do you want? And he said, a Maybach. And she got it for him after singing a birthday song. Aish! Who gets a Maybach for just singing a birthday song? That's if you're not Oprah Winfrey and Stevie Wonder. When money talks, bullshit walks. That's what it is.